this is our first time to a training, but we've really loved all the options that we've had.
So we've been using it a few years, and
we wanted to get more efficient. I think that's something that we can spend a lot of time doing something that we could probably do cut in half. Last few days has been really good to teach us how to get quicker. We've been pampered. This is nice.
Yeah, it's been really fun. Good food, good training,
beautiful
nice
location.
to meet people.
Yeah.
I immediately started watching the chief videos, and I'm really having fun. But I knew that I needed some instruction, and I learned how to do notes, and I learned how to do dimensioning and how to move things in elevation view and how they affected the plan view. And I thought, my gosh, this is amazing. As I've learned today and yesterday, I can do what I did before 10 times as fast, 20 times better.